How helpless are women in Afghanistan? The Taliban's new rules have stripped them of almost all their freedom. They are not allowed to speak in public. Even conversations with female friends must be whispered. They can only leave home with a male guardian and must be completely covered in heavy burqas, with not a single strand of hair visible. Even female news anchors on TV are required to wear masks and headscarves. They are banned from education beyond primary school and cannot work in non-governmental organizations. Worse yet, if they fall ill, they cannot be treated by male doctors, and female doctors are extremely rare, meaning many women are left without medical care. Even access to public restrooms is restricted, and their home windows must be opaque, so outsiders cannot see that women live there. Afghanistan was once a place where women could study, work, and enjoy freedom. But now, the only glimpse they have of the world is through the mesh of their burqas.